Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is Google Sheets, protecting data. In order to protect worksheet data from being modified, you can choose to protect an individual cell, a range of cells, or the entire sheet. Formulas are often protected. These methods shouldn't be used as a security measure. People can print, copy, paste, and import and export copies of a protected spreadsheet. Only share spreadsheets with people you trust. In this demonstration, we are going to protect a spreadsheet that is used to collect prices for several pieces of equipment. In this spreadsheet, we only want individuals to change the price column and the quantity column. To protect the sheet, click Data, and then click Protect Sheets and Ranges. Click Add a Sheet or Range. Make sure the Sheet tab is selected. In the drop-down box, make sure the sheet that you want to protect is selected. Click the checkbox next to Accept Certain Cells. Click the Select Data Range icon. Select the cells in the price column that you want individuals to change, and click Add Another Range, and click the Select Data Range icon, and select the cells under Quantity that you want individuals to change, and then click OK. Click Set Permissions to set all the permissions. Click the radio button to the left of Restrict Who Can Edit This Range, and make sure in the drop-down menu that Only You is checked. Then click Done. Now share the spreadsheet by clicking Share, and add the people that you want to share the document with. And type a message telling the individuals what you want them to do with the spreadsheet. And then click Send. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.